In today's video guys, I'm going to show to you this game and how you can make money and get your return of investment back in the next 3 days. So I will be revealing the farm 2.0 in Plant Vs Undead. So I will be teaching you everything that you need to know. But before I start into this video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so for you to be able to farm and be able to make money inside Plant vs Undead, just click this button right here and you will be redirected into the dashboard. And then what you're just going to do here is just go to farm. Okay, so if you haven't able to buy some PVU, I recommend that you buy it right now, because the minimum amount that you need to be able to start in PVU is 5 PVU. So 5 PVU is more likely $100, and I think that's pretty much worth it if you're going to get your money back in the next 3 days. Okay, so what you actually will do here is that when you are able to buy, okay, you buy first LE. So you go into this part, you convert your PVU tokens into LE. Okay, so after you've bought an LE, what you're just going to do is go directly into the shop section and buy a sunflower. So take in note that a sapling has a what do you call that? You need 100 LE for that. For mama, you need 200 LE, and you need one pot for each sunflower, whether it is sapling or mama. And I will be doing some live computations here. Okay, so let's say you will get a mama, which is 200 LE. Then you will also get maybe 5 saplings, which is around 500 LE. And you're going to buy a pot, which of course is going to cost you around 300 LE. And you will also buy some water, which in cost for around, let's say, 100 LE. Okay, so hoping that my calculations is correct. So into this full build in Plant vs Undead, you actually need more than 1,100 LE, which equivalent to you divide this by 7. Yeah, you divide it by 70, because that is the amount of PVU that you need. So let's just convert it. So let's just reconfirm. So you need 1 PVU is equivalent to 70 LE. Okay, so you divide this. Okay, so 1,100 divided by 70, you need at least 15.71 PVU for you to start. And if you're going to convert it here at the trade section, you will be able to check it here. So let's see, let's say 15.80. Let's say 15.80. Okay, wait, it's lagging for me. 15.80. So you need at least more than $330 for you to start. And if you do not have this kind of budget, you can just stick with 1 sapling or even 1 mama, and then just buy a pot over here. So for the budget meal, okay, budget meal, okay. So let's say you're going to buy maybe 1 mama. So 1 mama is 200 LE, and if let's say you need at least a water, so that's 100 LE. So you need at least 300 LE. And also you need what do you call that, a pot. So that's more like 400 LE into this setup. So 400 LE is I think it was 5 point something. So 300 divided by 70, so it is 4.30 PVU tokens. So 4.30 PVU tokens. So remember that the minimum amount that you need to put inside PVU is 5. Okay, so probably what you could do is buy more sapling. So 2 saplings and then a water. So you also need a pot. So 150. So that's going to be 400, 500, 650 LE. So 650 LE is 650. 650 divided by 70, that's 9.28 PVU tokens. So let's do another calculation, okay? So let's say you are really on a budget, you just really want to spend 5 PVU. So let's say you're going to buy a mama, and you're also going to buy a pot, which is 50 LE. So mama, pot. So I will actually update this one, guys, so that you will be able to check. Okay, so into this part, this one is a pot, small pot. So this is the water. So you can get an additional, what do you call that? A additional 50 LE when you accomplish the daily quest. So this is 2x sapling. So let me just update it real quick, okay? So that you will be able to grasp everything and you will be able to learn from it. So sunflower mama, so that is equals to 200 LE. So let me just update this one. So this is the sunflower mama, flower mama. This one is sapling, 5x sapling. This is like the small pot, so small pot, and then this is the water. So for a more budget gameplay, then of course you need a pot, you also need a water. So you actually want to allocate in water, so that's 500 LE. So 350. So this one is 350 already. So this is 350 LE, which in turn equivalent to 5 PVU tokens. So 5 PVU tokens is again 100. So this one is more like $195 setup. So this one is $340 setup. So $340 setup. So what will you get in return when you are buying this? Okay, so let me just explain real quick. So let's go back here. So you will get up to 250 LE in the next 72 hours. So 250 LE plus what do you call that? Plus the pot. So you're actually going to get your ROI in the next 3 days, because 250 LE minus 100 LE that you've spent here minus the pot, which will what do you call that? Will result to 100. So after you've got this 250 LE, you can get your ROI back already, and you can already reinvest these profits and also make money from you. So in just 3 days, you're going to get your ROI, and you will even get more than that after the next 3 days and the next 3 days. And also into this part right here, you are going to spend 850. You also get 850 LE, and you're just going to spend more than 250 LE here. So that's like 600. So that's more likely 2x or 2.5x of your money in the next 6 days. So that's how easy it is, okay? So explaining the ROI, you're going to get your ROI here in the next three days, okay? That's the minimum part, assuming that the PVU price is like stable. So that's how you do it. So let's assume that you've bought your sapling, your mama, and your box. What you just need to do here, you just click this plus sign over here and click the select. So once you've clicked the select, you will go into the sunflower, and you will put this one and click the select. So make sure that this part over here, this part. So let me just zoom in. This part is sunflower mama. This one is sunflower sapling. So basically, after you've put everything, what you just need to do is just put a pot, and after you've put a pot, that's how easy it is. You just need to what do you call that? what is the right word for that. You're just going to use a water here inside. So you just need to water your plants every day, and do not forget to what do you call that? To water your plants every day, because if you do not water your plants, you will get a reduction of LE tokens, and also the time might be stopped. Okay, so that's how easy it is. And after that, you can also get your daily quest right now. So easy. So what you just need to do is just scroll forward here, just type in any coordinates that you want, and then just click the apply section over here. So I'm just going to do this one. I'm just going to use this. Okay, check the box below, then slide the piece puzzle, and then after that, I'm just going to repeat it 15 times, and also I'm going to get 50 LE. So let me just show it to you real quick, okay? So this is the farm 2.0. So special shout out to Andeng for helping me, and also to the whole PVU coord server. So they are really good guys. They are very helpful. They are helping people for free. So make sure to join into the PVU coord server, and also give some tips if you would like. So if you like to give them a token of appreciation, because you are actually making money for free because they are guiding you, you can always go here and tip them. So I'm also going to put this one into the description box below, so that you will be able to join this one. Okay, so let me just go back here real quick. So I'm just going to finish my daily quest like what you are seeing into my dashboard. So just click the verification. So actually you are going to get, you have a chance to get a seedling if you're watering like zero stuff. So if you're trying to water plants that has a lower than 0, then you can get a seedling, so you have a chance to get that. So let me just do it every single time. So congrats, you received nothing. So actually I'm satisfied on getting 3-day ROI on my money, and just sharing to you guys, I actually spent more than $600 for this, and I didn't even regret this one, guys, because the ROI is very fast. The developers, the team, the game is absolutely good, and I'm just all in here because the money is good, the gameplay is good, and also it is pretty much solid as well. So we just have like the last 5 we just need 4 plants to water. So that's last 3. So you're just going to repeat this one, guys. So last 2. So last 2. So and then last 1. Okay, so last 1. So you will be able to claim it here. So just click the claim button, and as you can see here, I got a 50 LE. So 50 LE is 0.5 PVU. So 0.5 PVU is more than $10. Okay, so this one is very easy to make money. I suggest that if you have a funds, you actually want to join this game, because I mean it has a really big market cap. There's a lot of people that are playing this one. So absolutely, if you do not know anything about Plants vs Undead, then you are clearly missing out. Okay, so that's how you need to do it, guys. So just a reminder, after you've done your work or everything, so you're going to go into the farm, make sure to put a pot only 1 times for every single mama and sapling, because if you double click this one, you will also lose a pot. So if you double click it, you will burn, and you will actually lose some money. So be careful when you are clicking, so that you will be able to utilize it into the future as well. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on my next video.